Hello everyone, my name is Shawn and I work for Anna Group. I'm a business partner in the HR department and this is my cooking partner Jaco. Hello. So basically our restaurant's name is Chrysalis Cuisine for this evening for our kitchen. And chrysalis, the name basically means the transformation from caterpillar through to a butterfly. And similar to me, in the past I couldn't really cook that well. The week prior to our MasterChef edition, I actually burnt the chicken. So let's see if it actually transformed and if we can win this tonight. Yeah. The piece for our starter with the lumi that we're going to do as soon as the judges are here. Biscuits I just put in now, but it's not a problem. Basically it's a combination of raw cashew nuts, Mari biscuits, and then cream, condensed milk and vanilla essence. Quite easy to make. So I just need to get this all sorted so that I can start with the cream. Potatoes for the mash, although everyone is just getting this small, we're making this much. I'm still busy with the Mari biscuits. As it's double the mix, it needs to be 60 Mari biscuits, or it should have been. This needs to be 5 well, I'm busy with the peas. It's just going to cook for like a minute or 2, maybe 3, because it needs to be really soft so it can become a nice puree. I'm just adding the salt, which I forgot to put in from the beginning, and I'm not going to add the pepper now. What are you doing? Is it stuck? Not opening up. Basically, yeah, over an hour, and we are definitely on track. On the camera lens. In the freezer, because it needs to cool down quite rapidly for some reason.
Today we're at Shawn and Jaco's. So far so good, all looks pretty relaxed. Just wondering if it's not the calm before the storm. We'll wait and see. Hopefully it's all good. Good luck.
The look and the feel, it's great. It's been very welcoming so far, but I agree, we've got to wait and see what the food is, if that's just as good.
I really appreciate the nice warm welcome when we walked in. It was very calm, very relaxed.
Everything looks very calm and relaxed compared to what we were yesterday, so hats off to them for the prep that they've done, but let's see if the taste is as good.
Okay, so yeah, I'm busy plating so trying to make it look all pretty and nice and edible. Amy is starting to brown. So we'll get there, it's just taking a bit longer. I'm not too sure what's wrong. I think it may be too little butter at present. Get a little yellowish color with cream. And I think it's going to get the nice, roll the lumi on it and look much better, hopefully.
Check out my flow, that's you can never test me.
Okay, thank you everyone for coming through to Chrysalis Cuisine. So the name basically sprouts from our cooking, having grown from giving people stomach bugs through to actually transforming into actual butterfly. Okay, it is quite an interesting course. We tried it out last week and I truly believe you'll enjoy it. Everything is handmade from the masala butter with actual anchovies in, etc. We bought a new grill for you guys, so we hope you'll enjoy it. I don't know if you can eat anchovies, but in any case, enjoy it while it's hot. And if you need any drinks, please feel free to call us.
It's good, but just like any other halloumi that I had. So I was hoping that it may be something different or something that I haven't tried. I know the pea puree is there, but even with the pea puree, the halloumi itself is so overpowering that you don't seem to get anything else on the side. So it's good, and it's a nice fair starter, but I was hoping maybe a different type of taste come from with the halloumi. But yeah, I think all in all it's a decent start.
I was expecting something else in the pea puree to kind of lift it up and change it, because when I tasted it, just tastes like peas. And I like the actual earthiness of the pea with the salty halloumi. It works for me. Again, I mean the lemon zest, it helps, but I would have liked a bit more acid in it, lemon juice or something more to sort of just cut through the salt of the halloumi and just the base note, the earthiness of the pea puree. But the microgreens help, brings it up a little bit when you eat it together, and it's a good starter. The halloumi's done nicely, nice crust on it, it's not oily and soggy, so well done, guys.
Thank you.
The halloumi on its own, for me, look, I love halloumi, but I'm not really sure how it should taste. Everybody says it's fine. It was a bit rubbery on the teeth, but if I put everything together, like with the lemon zest and the little herbs, it was quite a nice taste for me.
I think the halloumi was done well. I think it was a bit flat.
The whole presentation of it was really nice, but I tasted it, but I couldn't go any further because I noticed like this pain. I played it, made me lose appetite instantly. So
I thought the halloumi was great. It tasted nice. I do agree. Bit of lemon juice would have been fantastic. I like the pea puree. I haven't finished it, and I'm not going to finish it because there's a bit of a short and curly hair in the food.
Starter's done out there, and judges liked it. It wasn't the best, but yeah, let's hope with our main course we can maybe lift the spirits a bit, or yeah, get them there on our side. Try 1 minute on each side. Don't want to overcook it, but it is still extremely hot. Ooh, okay, we're almost there. This is the part now where we said we're gonna start freaking out. Okay, so the main is a piece of fillet that I dried for us with a bit of parmesan infused mash. A small butternut salad. If you're allergic to nuts, please just try and avoid it, with a bit of balsamic reduction, and a goat cheese mixed with cranberries. On top of the fillet, you have a bit of masala butter that we made. It was quite a recipe that included anchovies as well. Jaco assisted me with it. So, and then a bit of spring onion for the mash. Okay, enjoy, and a chili on the side for the mix.
Well, it looks very pretty. Butternut salad, very nice. Butternut's maybe just a little bit undercooked. That's no biggie. The cranberry cheese, it's nice. It sort of brings it all together. I would have liked a little bit more of the balsamic reduction on it. It's a bit light with that, and the mash, I think it's a bit over mixed, maybe. So you get the starchiness start coming out, but I mean, overall, it's a really good dish. I'd be happy to eat all of this. So I'm probably gonna come back with a clean plate. Well done, guys.
I think the steak's done the way I like it. I hope everyone else enjoys it. I think I was actually curious to taste the masala butter. I was hoping you could put something on top of it. I'm gonna say, and I would have liked a little bit more of it. But all in all, I think it's a nice dish, and I think the contestants are going to be impressed when they dig in. So well done. We started off, I would say, okay. I think we're going on the right trajectory. We're going up now. So let's see the dessert we can end off on a high.
The main steak is cooked perfectly for me. I think the dollop of masala butter, the anchovies, not a big fan of anchovies. The taste came through a bit strong, so yeah, it seems like some of the other people enjoyed it.
Food, so it was definitely palatable. The steak was a little underdone for my liking. I like it medium.
I liked it. As you can see, there isn't anything left on my plate. I really enjoyed it. I just felt that the salad never really complimented the meat that well.
Yes, I like the salad. Beautiful done. It complements, you know. And the mash, I'm not used to mash like that.
Okay, the fillet was done good enough for me. It was a bit under, but I liked it that way.
Meats, I love raw meat, as raw as you can get. So for me, that was spot on.
I like it like that as well. The anchovies, it was something different. I've never had anything to do with anchovies because it just smells terrible, but it complemented the meat actually. It was nice together.
Dessert time. I'm actually quite happy it's getting to an end, to be honest. So
Our dessert is Portuguese dessert named Serradura.
My whole squad, got a brand new whip that's holla at me when the one.
Shazzy mentioned, pudding is a sawdust pudding. We took caramel Mari biscuits and cashew nuts, crushed them, and then the layers is cream with vanilla essence and a bit of condensed milk as well included, bit of crunch on top for color, and the two of them got bigger cups to thank them for last night's dinner. And then at the end, just a fortune cookie to keep the conversation going. Enjoy.
Okay, so for dessert, Serradura. So I've never had it before, but I would have expected the crunch to be like sawdust, which you guys obviously have, and you guys have put some work onto it. I see you guys put a little bit of crunch on top. I'm not sure. I see a bit of honeycomb and okay, I was going to ask you, did you make it or okay? It's crunchy.
I like the cashew nuts in here. It'd be nice if they were maybe toasted, so you'd actually get more of that cashew nut flavor to contrast with the Mari biscuits. The cream is good. It's light, it's fluffy, it's not overworked. For me, I'm not a big fan of chocolate pieces in a cold cream dessert because I get that almost like a greasy flavor coming from it. But yeah, it's pretty good dessert.
Portion size, yeah, I think it's a bit generous. I can't finish it all, but that's not to say that it was unpalatable.
Okay, yeah. I think everyone has mentioned it around the table. They seemed very calm during the night, and the main ended off at a high. I think they just they tanked after that.
This is the best food you've ever tasted.
Whoa, fortunately. You will eat terrible food in 2 weekends' time.
Okay, Jaco and Shawn gave us the halloumi for starters. I think it was fairly safe. It's something we do quite often.
The starter, relatively bland, easy to pull off.
If it wasn't for that hair, I think I would have enjoyed the starter, but because of that hair, it put me off.
So I think that put me off a little bit.
It's not really a big issue. I mean, when we came in, he actually said, you know, we've got cats and we did lock them up. It's a give and take.
And the mains for me, I really did enjoy the main. Yeah,
The main was the best.
I'm a medium rare kind of girl. So for me, it was a little bit under that, but I love it.
My steak wasn't cooked the way
Okay.
I like it. It was
So
raw.
underdone for you.
Yes.
The rest
enjoyed
of the
the
plate was
salad.
okay.
I
Salad
really
was
enjoyed
good.
the salad, yes.
Even though I don't like my meat so rare and I like it a bit more medium, and Jael enjoys it.
Yeah, I enjoyed the meat. The only thing on the plate I didn't really enjoy was the sauce on top. Had anchovies in it. Not a big fan of anchovies.
Salad.
Dessert,
Played
Played it
very
safe?
easy. Very easy.
whipped cream, Mari
Whipped
biscuit.
cream and yes, crushed Mari.
Yeah, the dessert felt like something you could buy one of Woolworths ready-made desserts. It wasn't great at all.
But you said it would have been better if there was.
Okay, don't give that secret away, right?
Just say it. Just say it.
Must I?
Yeah, say it. Say it. It would have been better if
There was a bit of a sourish
fruit.
taste, fruit or something.
As an overall comment, there's hair in my starter and in my dessert. Particularly if I go to a restaurant, I always send the meal back. But other than that, I think the food was good.
A general score, looking at a 6.
Yeah, okay.
We're going with a 6.
We decided to give a 6.
A combined score of 5 in total for the evening.
So I'll give them a 6. Do you
Ja,
agree?
ek dink ook 'n 6
A 6.
ja.
Yeah.
Shawn and Jaco, thanks for having us tonight. I just want to say it was a splendid evening. The way everything was laid out, the way everything came out, the plating, top marks, 10 out of 10. So tonight, your score given by the contestants is a grand total of 23. So, as it stands today, John, Luke and Sajel are on 24 on the leaderboard, and Jaco and Shawn are on 23. Well done, guys.